Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session we will read the fourth line twice, each one twice, so to give you in a practice. Okay, start from here now, and you can observe my mouth movement, the lips movement. Okay, first one is طا طا ظا ظا عين عين غين غين فا فا. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice the fourth line 10 times. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.